Welcome back to the new math tutorial. In this video, we are talking about estimating product. How can we find the closest answer to the product by estimating? You will find that in the first problem. We need to estimate by rounding. We need to find the closest answer by rounding. If you remember the rounding by underline the required digit, then look at the right. You will find that we have two different groups, the weak numbers and the strong numbers. For the weak numbers, they are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But for the strong numbers, they will be 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. If you find one of the weak numbers, it doesn't change anything of the underlying digit. But once we find any one of the strong numbers, we will add 1 to the underlying digit. Now we will follow the same. I will start from 32. 3, look at the right. We have only one digit, so just write 0. 2 is one of the weak numbers, so it doesn't change anything for 3, so just write 3. Now we have 1. 1 is, look at the right, we have only one digit, so just write 0. 8 is one of the strong numbers, so we just add 1 to 1, so it will be equals to. Now we have 30 multiplied by 20. Because we have two zeros, just write the two zeros as the product. Now 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6. So 32 multiplied by 18, the closest answer now will be equal to 600. By the same way, now we have 98 multiplied by 83. Underline 9 and look at the right, there is only one digit. And we have 8 is one of the strong numbers, so we add 1 to 9. 1 and 9 equals 10. Times. Underline 8 and look at the right, there is only one digit. So we have here one of the weak numbers, so we just add 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Now by multiplying, we have 3 zeros, just write that 3 zeros outside. So 1 times 9 equals to 9. So the answer now would be equals to 9,000. The same in question number 3. Underline 2 and look at the right. We have here two digits, so just replace them with 0. Now we have 1. 1 is one of the weak numbers, so it doesn't change anything. So 2 will be the same. Just multiply it by. Now we have only one digit, so just write it, so it will be 200 multiplied by 6. Just write the two zeros. So we have here 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12. So the closest answer will be equals 1200. By the same in question number 4. Underline 6 and look at the right. We have only one digit, so just replace it with 1 0. 8 at the right. 8 is one of the strong numbers, so we'll just add 1. 1 and 6, it will be equal to 7. The second number that we have, which is 7, only one digit, just write it without any change. So we have 70 multiplied by 7. We have only one zero, just write at the answer. And 7 times 7 equals to 49. So 490 will be the closest answer. In question number 5, we have 131 times 29. Now underline 3 and look at the right. You will find only one digit, so just write 1 0. And 1 is one of the weak numbers, so 13 will never be changed. Just multiply it by. Now we have 2, look at the right. There is only one digit, so just write 1 0. 9 is one of the strong numbers, so we just add 1 to 2, so it will be 3. Now we need to multiply them. Once we have here two zeros, just write the two zeros at the answer. 3 times 3 equals 9. And 3 times 1 equal to 3. So the answer now would be equal 3,900. 106 multiplied by 52. Just we have here 1. 1 is, look at the right. You will find that we have two digits, so just replace them with two digits. And 0 now is one of the weak numbers, so there is no change with 1. Now we have to multiply. 5 is, look at the right. We have only one digit, so we just write 0. And 2 is one of the weak numbers, so 5 will never be changed. Now to multiply them, we have here 3 zeros. Just write 3 zeros. And 1 multiplied by 5, the answer now would be equal to 5. And that's how can we estimate to find the product.